Good morning, gentlemen. Good old morning here in Miami, Florida. We actually got a breezy day. Weather's crazy down here. It's actually feeling good. We're on a service call for a 5-ton ream unit. Found the unit right now. Going off on head pressures. Condenser fan motor wasn't running. About to check the capacitor. Check the actual condenser fan motor, make sure it didn't go faulty. So, showing you guys. Got a suite today, man. Not on the roof. So, for you guys, man, you work commercial, you'll understand. And if you don't yet, and you're trying to get into it, you'll know what I'm talking about. This is considered a sweet day being on the ground. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing ready to roll. Nice. 3-phase too. Let's see what's going on here. Capacitor down there. Nice little spot for it, huh? Let's see what's going on. So guys, the outcome was a bad condenser fan motor. The capacitor's rated for 10 microfarads, was still good. Motor's mechanically seized. Spin this way and look, it'll rotate, so you guys don't get fooled sometimes. You see how it hits the stop there? You can hear the grinding on it. And it's real hard to the push. You can barely, should spin freely. The motor should spin freely, so it's a 1/5 of a horsepower. 208, 230. 850 RPM on the speed. So it's always good. You got to make sure you get the correct specs on the motors. You don't want too much airflow over your coil. Get what's desired for the unit. Go off tags, you know. Got this from Tropic Supply out here in Miami. Luckily they had 2 in stock. So we're about to rewire this thing now and get these people back cooling. Had a real rusted condenser fan motor. It's always good to have your little hub puller. It'll help you get this thing right up. Almost out. See that, guys? This thing works miracles, man. Able to save the blade. I actually got lucky. I didn't have a lick of WD-40. An old shaft, old motor. Get it ready to replace it now. I got it back running. About to check the antro on her. Check the pressures. Make sure everything's all right. Pipe feels a bit cold on the suction line. Liquid line is nice and warm. Delta T of 17 and perfect pressures, man. Split system is fully operational, guys.